First on 5, the next time you call for an ambulance, it may not race you right to the hospital if you live in certain zip codes.
Instead, you may connect with a doctor without even leaving your driveway. News 5's Tracy Carlos looks at a new pilot program and who could benefit from it.
This is not a typical doctor's office, but a new nationwide pilot program is putting doctors here in ambulances virtually. There are 6 EMS agencies taking part in Ohio. 3 of them are right here in Northeast Ohio.
This is the first major evolution in the delivery of EMS in over 30 years.
When a patient calls 911, paramedics will triage and evaluate the situation. And in non-life-threatening situations, instead of the patient heading to the ER to see a doctor, the doctor comes to the patient by way of a tablet. On the other end, specially trained EMS physicians at Metro.
It's just amazing how quickly we can connect the people that are at the patient's bedside to a physician, real time, live, face-to-face on a phone, in a matter of seconds now.
The MetroHealth System partnered with 3 local emergency medical services for emergency triage, treat, and transport programs.
It's looking to reduce some cost in healthcare by having unnecessary transportations to the emergency department and the workups and expense that comes along with that without compromising the patient safety and care.
The Brecksville Fire Department is one of those agencies. They respond to about 1,700 calls annually. About 80% of those are for EMS.
This will help provide a higher level of care.
The program just rolled out a few weeks ago, and so far, the fire chief told me they've used the ET3 program twice.
We've used this on COVID patient where that patient just needed to talk to a doctor, just had questions. We saw the physician reassure that patient, and our staff was able to go back into service and be available for the next EMS call.
This is a 5-year pilot program, but doctors and paramedics told me that they believe this is just the beginning of this type of virtual care. In Brecksville, Tracy Carlos, News 5.